reaching for leaves, watching them fall. H is for hippo, big and round, rolling in mud, splashing the ground. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a tasty treat we love to eat. J is for jelly bean, bouncing around, rolling and tumbling on the ground. K is for kite, flying so high, floating and gliding up in the sky. L is for lion, laughing with glee, tickled by butterflies, wild and free. N is for moon, shining so bright, glowing and twinkling all through the night. N is for nest, cozy and small, filled with chirps that echo and call. O is for octopus, swirling so neat, dancing with waves and tapping its feet.